And Musa felt some fear in his heart when he saw what manifestation came about from the flinging or the throwing of the staffs, the sticks of the magicians of Fir'aun. What they became, what they manifested. He felt some fear in his heart. Then the one that sent you on an errand and stays with you throughout the errand, the one, àwọn Yorùbá máa sọ pé ẹni tó máa rán ẹni iṣẹ́ tó máa dúró tì ẹ́. So Ọlọ́run Ọba, the one that will send you on an errand and will be with you throughout the way, told him, Qulna, we now told him, La takhaf, don't be scared. Innaka antal a'la, you are the one that will prevail. Now, how are you going to prevail? The methodology now comes. The assurance came before the method. The method now is, وَأَلْقِ مَا فِي يَمِينِكَ تَلْقَفْ مَا صَنَعُوا. It's not anything new. It's not anything new. It's not anything different from what you already have. وَأَلْقِ مَا فِي يَمِينِكَ. Throw what is that thing in your hand that you are aware of. You see, you are aware of it despite that you are scared because you are paying attention to the external, not the internal. You're paying attention to what is without, not what is within. So you are now being told to throw that which is already in your possession. Throw it down. Throw it down. And then you'll see what it will manifest. The things that the magicians manifested, it's only a plot. And the plot of the magicians will not be successful. It just means that you now in your life, in every single aspect of your life, identify that which you already have, that you're not paying attention to, that gift that has been yours from inception. In fact, some of them you've acquired, but you're not paying attention to them because you're so inundated with what is without, losing sight of what is within. My call to you today is to look within, and find that which you already have. You've been given naturally, or you've acquired over the course of time that you know can be used to transform your life. But you are so fixated on this person did this, that person did that noisy word that you've lost sight of your own self.